Right, here we go then. There's the roof for the top there. Down inside there. Here's the other bit. It falls down. There's a tray bit down at the bottom there. Everything's got this nasty blue rubbish on it. Look, see. Let's stay that. What is that about? What is that about? And of course the door there. Sorry about the noise, I've got a window open. So, yeah, it's definitely getting there. And, yeah. I believe that'd be quite good. I'm surprised at the size, but it's bigger than I thought. I'll be honest, it is bigger than I had anticipated. Oh look, mirror to the box over there. But yeah, there you have it. That's 1649, 99, whatever it was. I don't remember now. Off eBay. And arrived before the date it was due. It was very good. Again, that's plastic thing came in. And of course, the bag. So, yeah, all in all, good now. It's quite a good size bag, that, because, I'm not talking about me brew, because, right, you can not only get your stove in there, you could also probably get some kindling in a bag in there. So I'm going to keep this bag, I'm going to put kindling in there. We can start with tearing up this piece of card here that came from the post office. Just cut these things up. You get these, cut them up. These pieces of card, we'll cut them up. Stick them in a bag. Put them in with your thing. And all's good in the world, isn't it? Tutty bye.